This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're not gonna miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. Question from Devianchi: do you have a middle name? Yes, I do. Do you have any career besides YouTube? I was a nurse, but now I'm a full-time YouTuber. Take care, you guys. Hati-hati. Kendini bak diyan laki. Ingat. XOXO. Before we head on the next part of the video, I'd like to mention our video sponsor today, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creatives to explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. Skillshare classes include a combination of video lessons and a class project, which helps you build your talent and improve your skills. The premium membership gives you unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes, where you can look up any kinds of skills that you want to learn, like painting, photography, filming, crafts, and more. Currently, I'm taking a class on mastering illustration, sketching, inking, and color essentials, which is a class taught by Jazwares. What I like about this class is that it gives you in-depth illustration about the basics of sketching, inking, and color, and it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription, which is pretty affordable considering the knowledge you can gain from it. So, because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to get the link in the description box will get a free trial of premium membership. Click now and explore your creativity. Alright, let's get back to our unboxing video.
So we brought it down 끝이 없을 것처럼 달려 너와 나 이건 sunset 아래 너는 지금 내 옆에 Pink down and burn it out like it ain't a thing 다 필요 없어 주인공